Hello, welcome to Research 101 series where I share basics for research. In this short presentation, I focus on the key elements that are typically found in the methodology and methods sections of a research proposal. It is very important part of a proposal because it helps to evaluate the validity and reliability of the research being carried out and also the research findings. Hence, the quality of the method and methodology sections is really important because it determines the quality of the data that will be collected to answer the research questions. Without proper methods, it also means that the data collected might not be suitable to answer the research questions. So this is a very important part of the proposal. Also important is how we make meaning of the data that we collect, issues related to data analysis. The methodology and methods sections typically have four main subsections. There's a subsection which you talk about the methodology. The methodology is the theory that informs the study. In this section, you describe the methodology, you justify the methodology, why you chose it, and also explain the theoretical underpinnings of each methodology and how that methodology relates to the methods. Then you have a section on the study context and participants. In this section, this is where you describe your participants, the context of the study, how we are going to sample, how many number of participants, and why. So it's about description and justification. Then we have a section on data collection tools. This is where you describe and justify the tools that will be used to collect the data. For example, are you going to have interviews? If you are having interviews, do you have an interview guide? And in that guide, what are you focusing on? The same, even if you want to have a focus group discussions, what are you going to be discussing about? What kind of data are you going to be collecting and why? If you decide to do pre and post tests and so forth, it's about describing a tool and justifying why you're going to be using that tool and how we are going to use the data collected to answer each of the research questions. So the focus is on the research questions. How are you going to answer it and the kind of data you are going to be collecting using specific tools. Then the fourth subsection is on data analysis. After collecting data, how are you going to analyze it? So the data will depend, is it quantitative or qualitative? Because the methods of data analysis are different and they are specific for specific field and also the tools used to collect the data. So good luck with your research. Thank you.